Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all had a lovely Diwali celebration. So the next upcoming festival is Kartika Ekadashi. This is a very auspicious day. We also have Tulsi Vivah on this day and most of us fast. We try to make some simple Satvik meal out of the ingredients that are not restricted during the fasting days. So today I am going to make kadhi with buckwheat flour, which is Kuttu Ka Atta. And we will serve it with khichdi made with Barnyard Millets or Samak ke Chawal. It's a simple meal and very light on the stomach. I prefer this to most of the fried stuff like puris and sabudana vadas, khichdi. They are very heavy. So let's go and prepare this light Ekadashi meal. Ingredients for kadhi. Here we have taken buckwheat flour 1/3 cup, also known as Kuttu Ka Atta, but instead you can also use Shingare Ka Atta or water chestnut flour. Here we have 1 potato peeled and cut into pieces, 1 carrot scraped and cut into roundels, and lotus stem also scraped and cut into smaller pieces. We have 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. For curry we need little more oil. Salt to taste. And here we have crushed black pepper. This is the only spice that we use during Ekadashi. And here we have kokums, dried kokums. This is a small cherry tomato like fruit which is sun dried. It is tangy and used for flavoring the curries. These are the only things we use during Ekadashi fast, but if you are okay with cumin seeds, green chilies, go ahead and add them to the curry. And here I have taken 1 cup of Samak ke Chawal or Barnyard Millets. Rinse them and soak them for 2 hours at least. When you soak them well, they cook faster. And here we have ghee 1 tablespoon and salt to taste. Let's begin the cooking process. Heat oil in a sipri. This is a thick bottomed heavy vessel. We call it sipri in Sindhi. Add the crushed black pepper. And if you are adding cumin seeds, add them also at this stage. Give them a stir and then dip in the flour, buckwheat flour or Kuttu Ka Atta. Now saute it. Maintain medium flame and continue to stir at least for a couple of minutes until it is done, changes the color a bit, and then you will get a nice aroma also. Make sure the flame is low because the flour as such is dark in color. We don't want to make it blacker. When it starts bubbling, you can know that it is done. For any curry you are making, it's very important to saute the flour very well on medium flame. This is what gives good flavor to the curry. Now reduce the flame to low and add water. Add about 3 cups of water. Give it a nice stir. Now we are going to add the vegetables, potatoes, carrots and lotus stem. Add salt. Stir them together and now allow them to boil. Time to time keep stirring it. Once the curry starts to boil, we will reduce the flame, cover it lightly, leaving a little gap, and then cook it. Intermittently open the lid and keep stirring. Halfway through, add the kokum flowers. Rinse them before adding. Meanwhile, while the curry is boiling, let us cook the rice, Barnyard Millets, Samak ke Chawal. Heat ghee in a pressure cooker and add the soaked Barnyard Millets. Saute it lightly. This brings out a nice aroma. If you wish to add some cashew nuts, you can do that. Add salt. Mix it well. I am keeping it plain though, because I am serving with curry. Now for 1 cup of rice, we will add 2.5 cups of water. Grease the rim of the lid and then close the pressure cooker. Cook it for 2 whistles. Now we'll keep it aside to cool. Let's get back to the curry. The consistency is thicker now, and let's check if the vegetables are done. You can insert a knife to do this. Almost done. Couple of minutes more for the curry to be ready. Cover it again. Add sugar if you want to balance the flavors. That's not compulsory, it's optional. If you wish, you can add it. I did not mention it in the ingredients though. Now the curry is done. It's been simmering for total 15 minutes. Let's open the pressure cooker and check now. Perfect. Samak ke chawal have cooked very well and the texture is perfect. So friends, this is a simple and light meal for Ekadashi, curry and Samak ke chawal. Make and enjoy. I prefer this meal to all those fried sabudana vadas and puris. It's much lighter on the stomach. This Kartika Ekadashi is a very auspicious day. We also have Tulsi Vivah on this day. Happy Kartika Ekadashi to all of you. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.